You can simply replace the simple camera. The quality of photos will grow every year. The latest iPhone SE model uses a 12-megapixel camera for the first time and improved autofocus speed, making it the most advanced Apple smartphone ever. Lisa Bettany compares the quality of cameras on all iPhone models, 9 pieces, in different conditions: macro, daylight, low light, etc. Quality photos on the first 2 models of the iPhone. In this case, you can still be divided into a separate group. Photos of the iPhone 4/4s do not look so ancient and of low quality. According to the author of the comparison, not a single model from all models of Apple smartphones was installed on the iPhone 6, and with a higher resolution and fast focusing, it also reproduces color a little better even compared to the iPhone 6.